Hello everyone. Can we use abstract keyword with constructors? No, we cannot use abstract keyword with constructors. Abstract keyword is applicable only for classes and methods. Constructors, static instance blocks, instance instance blocks, variables cannot be abstract. If you see in this example, we are trying to represent a constructor, instance instance block and static instance blocks and variables as abstract. So it is giving error saying that modifier abstract not allowed here. In this example, if you see, we have represented a class as abstract and we have represented as a method as abstract. So in this case it is not giving error, in other cases it is giving error. So abstract keyword is applicable only for methods and classes. If you try to represent constructors and static instance blocks, instance instance blocks and variables, it will give error, that is it will not allowed.